421 by 1 thousandths. When we multiply by a power of 10, we increase the value. But here we multiply by a decimal, 1 thousandths. So now we are decreasing the value. So you will expect to have a product which is less than 421. And in my multiply, we move the decimal point to the right. But now I multiplying by 1 over thousands. So it will be the same as the inverse of by is divide. The inverse of 1 thousandths is thousandths whole. So that we will decrease the value and we will switch or move the decimal point to the left instead of moving it to the right. But where is the decimal point? I have a whole number. We say that decimal point to the most right is nothing. So we will put a decimal point here as accessory. And let's move it to the left 3 steps because I have 3 decimal places. And here in dividing I have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So it will be here. Now it will be 0 decimal point because the whole part will be 0. 4, 2, 1. The answer or the product will be 421 thousandths. In this question, I have 6 and 3 tenths divide 100. Here I'm dividing a power of 10. Dividing 100 or dividing 10 or dividing thousands, it will decrease the value of the number. And so that we will move the decimal point to the left. How many steps to the left? 2 steps. 1 and 2. And I will put the decimal point here. I have here 1 whole, so it will be kept by putting 0. The answer will be 0 in the whole part. Here's the decimal point is very important. We can't skip it because I have a whole part as 0 and the decimal part will be 0, 6, 3. This is called 63 thousandths. Another one, 42 and 6 tenths by 1 thousandths. Here I'm multiplying a decimal number by thousands. This is power of 10. I will increase the value. By goes right, divide goes left. So I will switch the decimal point 3 steps to the right. 1, 2, and 3. The decimal point will be here. I have here 2 empty holes. It will be kept by putting 0, 0, and 0. So the answer will be, let's write the product digit by digit. 4, 2, 6, 0, 0. Then the decimal point. The decimal point to the most right is nothing. So we can skip it or we can delete it.